everyone. I'm Senso, a translator living in your soil and talk to your plants. Oh no, my owner is coming. This is Michael. He calls himself a plant parent. I track sunlight, temperature, and soil moisture and notify him when data is off. Which pot is lacking water? I know it better than he does. Magnetic probes supports all pot size. I quietly guard the entire garden. Michael thought collecting data was the only thing I can do. Hey buddy, Emily just overtook your rank. This is Emily, and she calls me her little monster. She doesn't learn to water and take care of plants. When I'm thirsty, I put on my sad puppy face right here on the screen. She gets it perfectly. We do challenges together and unlock rewards. When I'm happy, the plant grows.
I don't know why my plants are turning yellow.
Yellow leaves, one scan, and I tell her exactly what's wrong with the data. We even have a plant community. Emily's showing off her green planet to the whole office. I turn plants into data for Michael. I turn plant caring into a game for Emily. But my real job? Making sure people finally hears what their plants are saying. Smart advice, fun games, all on this one tiny screen. I'm Senso, a tiny spirit living in the soil, guarding your greens.